The calibration syringe is used for the calibration of pulmonary function tests or spirometry. The maximum calibration capacity of the Meditech calibration syringe MS-01 is 3 liters. It can also be set for a 2-liter calibration test. If you are performing a 3-liter calibration test, this ring must be in this position. If you are carrying out a 2-liter calibration test, you can place this ring in this position. This plastic cover must always be here when you are not using the calibration syringe to protect the syringe from dust or other things, and can remove it only when you are using the syringe. The calibration process must be divided into 2 parts. The first part is the preparation for the calibration test. Remove the dust cover and make sure that the handle can be pushed and pulled smoothly and at a constant speed. Practice pushing and pulling in this way several times. Turn the handle clockwise or anti-clockwise when pushing and pulling. Carry out the push-pull process in 3 cycles for calibration. The first cycle is at low speed, about 3 to 5 seconds. The second cycle is at medium speed, about 1.5 seconds. The last cycle is at high speed, completing the push and pull within 1 second. After completing the last cycle, the handle must be pulled to the maximum position to display the results of the calibration test, then push the handle back to its original position. The second part is to start the calibration of the spirometer. Connect the flow gun of the spirometer to the device and the calibration syringe. To do this, use the silicone connector provided and connect the other side to the calibration syringe with a little more force. Check that there are no gaps or air leaks and then connect the flow gun cable to the USB interface. Please select the correct direction as shown and connect it to the silicone connector immediately. After starting the device, the main menu will show that the device is connected. The next step is to carry out the actual calibration test. First, click on 3 lines symbol and select the calibration parameters here. For the iBreathe spirometer, the 3-liter calibration is selected. Select 3L and click OK to enter the next interface, and then click the Start button. Since this spirometer has an automatic zero initialization function, the subtitle Zero Initialization will appear. When the subtitle Zero Initialization disappears, you can perform the push-pull process at 3 different speeds. The first is slow, the second is medium fast, and the last is fast. Once the test is complete, pull the handle to the maximum position. 2 to 3 seconds later, the test results will be displayed. If the result shows Pass, click on Finish and save the data. If the test result shows Fail, click Start.